Hi everyone. Today we will try to model this in AutoCAD. We are going to create a title block with a drawing template. This drawing template will be used in all the other exercises, so whenever it is required. So if you look at this drawing template, here is a A3 size drawing sheet. In that, so we are going to include a margin of 20 mm on the left side, 10, 10, 10 on the other sides. After that, below we are going to draw a title block which is at a distance of 155 and 44. So this title block is used to write your name and other things. So let's open AutoCAD. Once you open AutoCAD, the first step what we are going to follow is typing the command units. Type units, press enter. So once I press enter, make sure your precision is 0.0 and your unit is millimeter. Once this two is selected, click OK. The next step what we are going to do is we have to draw a template. So for that we required a A3 sheet. The size of A3 sheet is 420 and 297. So to draw this A3 sheet, so let us type a command called as rectangle. So REC is the shortcut for rectangle. Once you type this, press enter. It is asking you the first corner point. The first corner point we will start from 0, 0. So type 0, 0, press enter. The next corner point will be 420, 297. Specify these two values and then press enter. Once this is done, you can able to see that your rectangle, so I am zooming in and out, you can able to see the rectangle is very small here. It is showing like that. So make it to fit in this screen, we use the command zoom. So ZOOM, press enter. In zoom there are lots of commands, so we have to zoom everything here. So we choose all. So if you refer here below, this is the commands what we have inside the zoom. Note that the first letter is in blue color, indicating that that's a shortcut for entering that command. For example, if I want to enter dynamic, we no need to type dynamic. Instead, you just type D. So what we are going to do, we are going to use all. So we are going to type only A. So type A, press enter. So now you can able to see that this fits our screen. Now, if I move my cursor, you can able to see that the rectangle, the entire rectangle is selected. So what my plan is, we are going to create an offset line for 20 mm on this side and offset of 10, 10, 10 on the other sides. So since all the lines is selected, that is the rectangle is made of 4 lines, all the 4 lines are selected, we are going to break this into 4. So for that the command is explode, or you can also click this particular icon. The icon indicating here is explode. Select this icon. Now it is asking you to select the object. Select that object, press enter. So now you can able to see that all the lines has broken into small pieces. So the next step what we are going to do is we are going to create an offset. So this side the line has to be offset for 20 mm. The command what we are going to use is offset. You can able to see that command here. So this is the offset command. Let me click this. Now it is asking what is the offset distance. Our offset distance is 20. Press 20 and enter. Now which line is 20? This line is 20. Select that line. Move your cursor whether you want on this side or this side. I want inside, so moving a cursor inside, and then press the left click. Again I am going to repeat the same offset. Let me click offset. Now the offset distance is 10. Type 10, press enter. Select this line. This has to be offset down. select this line, this has to be inside, select this line, this should be at the top. So now you can able to see that I have created an offset line with respect to this. The last thing is I have to remove this segments at the intersection of these lines. For that the command is trim. So shortcut is TR, or you can also use this icon for trim. So select this icon, select whichever you want to remove. So I am going to remove this, I am going to remove this, I am zooming in and out, remove this too, zooming out, again zooming in, this too, zoom out, zoom in, this too. So this is the part. Once this is done, press enter to exit the command. Now I need a title block here. The length is 155 and 44. So go for a rectangle, select that, just go to this. So this has to be picked. So the corner is not selecting here. To select this corner, you have a option here which is called as O snap. So this one we call it as O snap. Select this option O snap. Once this is selected, when I move my cursor, so you can able to see that you can able to get a square indicating the end point of the two lines. Select that, move it. So now at the top it is highlighting the horizontal distance has to be 155, 155. Press tab to go to the next one. So this has to be 44. Press 44 and then press enter. So now my rectangle where I am going to type my name is available here. Now what we are going to do is we are going to enter our name, register number, other details in this title block. To do that, go to text. In the text, choose multi-line text. Just drag that rectangle where I am going to type that text. I am dragging it, clicking. Now you can able to see a cursor here. So just this 2.5 indicates the height of the text. Let us go for 5. Enter. Now let us type to write your name. Enter your register number. So 2127, whatever it is. Complete this and then close your text editor. So again, if this is touching this particular rectangle, you can click this, right click, go for move, select that particular name, just move a little bit. So and then click. So make sure there is no indicating here. So if you see there is some green dots which is indicating, that will snap to that. So if to off that, again you go to snap, switch off this. Now you just go click it wherever you want. So now you can able to see this is our template. So our template is ready now. So we are going to use this template in all our drawings. So I have to save this as a template, not as a drawing file. To save this, go to AutoCAD, select it, go for save as. You have an option called as drawing template, DWT. Select that. Just give a name, my template. Give a name, my template. Make sure it has to be at .dwt format. Select this and then save. So it is asking whether the drawing is in metric. Yes, metric indicates millimeter. So it has to be in metric. Let's just click OK. Once this is done, so whenever we want to model something, we can use the same drawing template to model it. So let me show that. So let me close this. So this is the new AutoCAD menu. So whenever we open AutoCAD, you will get like this. So if you click this new, this will open AutoCAD, AutoCAD ISO.dwt format. That is that the template of your own AutoCAD ISO format, but I want my template. In that case, go and click this arrow, click browse template, select my template whichever you created, and then click open. So now my name and other templates are available here. So hereafter we no need to type that units, we no need to fix the A3 sheets or border. We can use this template to draw our diagram. Once it is drawn, you can save this as a DWG file, not as a template file, as a drawing file. Let us discuss this in the next exercise. Thank you.